The Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt offers convenient and secure keyless entry with built-in Wi-Fi. It enables remote locking and unlocking via the Schlage Home app or Key by Amazon app. You can create and manage up to 100 access codes for family and friends. It works seamlessly with Alexa for voice control and alerts for low battery. The fingerprint-resistant touchscreen ensures easy operation, while the built-in alarm alerts you to potential security breaches. Installation is simple with snap and stay technology. Suitable for residential single-family doors. It operates within a wide temperature range for reliability. Upgrade your door security system with Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Smash that like button and hit subscribe for all updates.